Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I really enjoy spending evenings outdoors, but I enjoy them even more when I don't have to worry about bugs irritating me. And that's why I love this insect trap by Katchy. What's really unique about this insect trap in particular is that it utilizes 3 different ways to attract bugs. So you have the UV light, which of course bugs are attracted to, plus a fan that then pulls the insect down, and then they get trapped onto these little round glue boards that sit in the bottom. Now the glue boards for me is what I appreciate the most and what sets this trap apart, because unlike traditional bug trappers or zappers where all the dead bugs collect on the outside and it gets really disgusting, this makes it so easy to dispose of the bug, and then the trap remains clean on the outside. Now currently we don't have many bugs outdoors because it's gotten cooler and most of them are dead, but you can see how even something as tiny as pepper gets stuck on these glue boards and it doesn't come off. So it's very effective. Now this does come with screws and an exterior mount if you'd like to install it that way, maybe on the side of your house or a post. Personally, we use the hook on top and hang it, but it's nice to have different mounting options. So if you're looking for a clean and easy way to enjoy your evenings outside without the bugs, we really love this Katchy's insect trap. And that's our point of view.